guys, so today is Sunday, August 22nd, and this is what it looks like outside my door right now. The storm has been downgraded to a tropical storm. I got that alert a few minutes ago on my weather app, so that's good, but we still could get some rain and wind and stuff and power outages. Hopefully we don't lose power. But I did end up sleeping in my room last night because it didn't end up being like that bad, because I don't even think it's supposed to make landfall until 2 p.m. today. So you could just see that the trees are blowing and it's windy right now. But my mom lowered the flagpole, so that should be good. But yep, that's the 7:30 update. Hurricane workout done. Well, actually tropical storm now. Workout done while watching the news coverage and getting prepared. So, and this is day 22 of 31 that I closed my rings. Hope everybody stays safe today. Hey guys, I'm having a bagel sandwich on an everything bagel with an egg and watching some of the news coverage of the tropical storm. Good morning, guys. I just finished my coffee and they've just been repeating some of the same things because, people tune in at different times. So they've just been repeating themselves for a little while, but it's okay. It's good to know the information. But yeah, the storm hasn't started yet. I don't think it's supposed to start till like 2 p.m. And for this, I have some audiobooks downloaded and I want to listen to one right now. So I'm going to actually plug in my iPad so I can charge it right now, because the streaming eats up a lot of battery. Which, not that the iPad would be any good without power, because I don't have one that uses data. I just use Wi-Fi because, whatever, but at least it will be charged for whatever reason. I don't know, but we never really lose power, so I don't think we have to worry about it. Like some of my other friends, they lose it really easily, so we'll just see. But for now, we'll keep it charged. But definitely gonna keep my phone charged because that we can use without Wi-Fi. But yeah, I'm gonna go chill out for now, and then I will see you guys later. Well, it is 12:50, and this is what it looks like outside my window. It's steadily raining, but I don't think this is tropical storm rain yet. But granted, they still have 12 to 1, 1 to 2. They still have like 2 hours before we're supposed to actually start, but I just woke up from a nap, so having a sandwich and still watching the coverage just to be prepared. Hey guys, so it is 2:18 right now. Oh, hey Hope. Hey sweetheart. Say hi. It is 2:18 and Hope and I, hold on.
Need help? Need help?
No.
No?
It's 2:18 and Hope and I are in our room, and come here, baby. Come over here. Come here. Come here. Anyways, we're in our room chilling. My mom is going to check the flooding in the basement because sometimes that happens when it rains real bad like this, is we get flooding. And I'm gonna take my little afternoon nap that I do every day with my puppy, and we're just gonna chill. And I currently have recording Chesapeake Shores. It's on the time that I'm usually awake, from 8 to 9. I usually go to bed anywhere between like 9:30 and 10 usually. But one thing I don't like is the stupid commercials. Like, I'm used to Netflix where you can just like binge all the episodes, but like this show's on Hallmark, not on Netflix, you know? So anyway, so that's happening. But the tropical storm made landfall, like, I want to say almost an hour ago, in westerly Rhode Island, and that's not too far from me, but far enough that it's not like affecting anything. I think what we're gonna get is some really bad rain and maybe a flash flood warning. So, you know, so far we haven't lost power or anything, but while I'm asleep, I'm gonna keep my phone on the charger. And then I also need to shower at some point today because it was a do-nothing day, so I was like, oh, why shower early? We could do it later, you know? But I need to get that done. But yeah, so that is the 2:30 update. Well, 2:21, but 2:30 update. And we will see you when we're up from our nap. Say bye, Hope. Say bye. You can see your little nose. Hey guys, so it is 5:30. I just got done with my shower, and I guess I slept through the storm because my brother called me at 4 o'clock and he woke me up from my nap, and he's like, what, you're not vlogging? It's raining right now. I'm like, I looked out the window, I'm like, it's not doing anything. And then I'm looking out the window right now, and it's not really doing anything either. It's just lightly raining. So it looks like we made it through the storm without any power outages, any bad whatever. Although they did say tonight into tomorrow we could get a flash flood warning, but I don't know. A flash flood warning? But I don't know, so we'll see. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.